Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. This is a Lenovo Yoga 12. Anytime when we power it on, it does stack on the boot menu. As you can see here, this is where when we power the PC on, it does stack here. If you select the Windows Boot Manager, nothing goes. And if you select HDD0, which is the hard drive, it doesn't goes. And to solve this issue, it's not that hard. So let's get into the BIOS settings to configure some few settings in order for our PC to start working normal again. Now, to enter the BIOS settings, it's very easy. You either power off the PC, keep on pressing F1 to enter the BIOS settings, or on the keyboard, as you can see, we have tab here, which we have tab here on this key. When you press that, it switch to the app menu tab, and on the app menu you can see that we have setup here, so click on it to enter the setup. Now once you enter the setup, on the BIOS setup here we have the main, config, date and time, security, startup and restart. Now to be sure that our drive is working normal, just go to the startup menu, go to the startup as we are there now, which we have the startup here. Now we have here the boots. When we enter the boot, we have our hard drive, which is detected, which is the number 4. But when we selected it, it was not booting. So just go back on the startup. On the same startup, these are the boot options available. We have UEFI and legacy boot options. Now that is where we would have been changing in order for our PC. If the PC boot options is on legacy and there is Windows on the drive, it just select the UEFI or the legacy. But here in our case, we can't enable either of that because they are all blank, which when we try to move down, none of them can be selected. Now, in order for us to enable them to be selected, we have to disable secure boot. Now go to the security tab, as you can see here at the top. So just go to the security tab here. At the security tab, we have the secure boot there. This is the secure boot. Just click on that, and then as you can see, it is enabled. So let's disable it. Click on disable. Right, so now it's now disabled. Press escape to go back. Now go back to the startup menu. Now you can see we have them available, so we can either select the UEFI or the legacy. But as you can see here, we have CSM, which is no, so just go that, enter there and select yes, in order for us to be able to boot from the legacy support, the legacy boot options. Now go back into the UEFI or legacy support. As you can see, it is on UEFI, so let's just go to the restart and save that. So exit saving changes, click on that and then press yes, and let's see if our PC boots. Okay, it's still not booting. Right, so let's go back into the settings once again. Right, so press the tab key to switch to the app menu. Once you press the tab key to switch, so enter to select the setup. Now that we are in the BIOS settings again, just go back to the startup menu here, as we have the startup menu here. Right, so here we have the UEFI or legacy, but it's on UEFI only. The CSM, which support the legacy, it's yes now, but it is not enabled. So in order for us to enable the legacy support, to just enter the UEFI or legacy boot, click on enter, press on enter, and you can see here we have UEFI only and legacy only. So in order for us to be on the safe side, you just have to select both. So once you select both, whether the legacy or the UEFI, our machine is going to boot. So this is where you select, you move down here to select which one to boot first. But as it's already picked legacy first, so let's leave it as it is. If it doesn't get Windows to boot from there, then it will use the UEFI to do the boot up. So let's leave it here right now, and then just exit saving changes, and let's see if our PC boots or not. So go to the restart tab and then press on exit saving settings. So let's just wait on it to see if the PC boots. This is a Lenovo Yoga 12, so which can also be applied on different Lenovo's. Voila, and our PC has booted. As you can see, our PC has booted. That is just how easy and simple it is to configure these settings. So let's go back into the BIOS settings and see if the settings are able to stack or not, or if we power off the PC, will the settings be changed or not. So let's power off, shut the PC down. So shut it down. Right. Okay, now that our PC is shut down, so power it on again and let's see. Power it on. Right, and let's see if it boots. And voila, the PC is booting it once again. So that is just how easy and simple it is to configure this Lenovo Yoga boot stack menu. So if it's on either of them, it's legacy or the UEFI boot options, it's now our PC is now booting. So that is just how to solve this boot stack menu on Lenovo Yoga 12. This problem that we have solved can either be solved on a different model of Lenovo types. You can try the same options here as we did and then see if it boosts. So if you are having any challenges, leave it in the comment section and see you on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.